Warm greeting to all. Today we are going to discuss Unit 5 Cam, Clutches and Brakes. Today we are going to discuss Internal Expanding Brake, presented by P. Amarnath, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Savitha Engineering College. So, working principle: a brake is a mechanical device which produces frictional resistance against moving machine member in order to slow or stop the motion of machine. A moving vehicle possesses kinetic energy that is converted into heat energy on the application of brake. Heat is transferred to the surrounding air. The construction of internal expanding shoe brake. Major components: a stationary brake shoe with a friction lining, it actuating mechanism either by cam or a hydraulic cylinder. So it is a stationary brake shoe. Brake drum made of cast iron. It is a rotating member which is connected to the wheel. Shoe adjuster, return spring, anchor pin. So basic construction of internal expanding shoe brake. An internal expanding shoe brake consists of two shoes. The outer surface of the shoe are covered with brake lining. The shoe is pivoted at one end about fixed fulcrum and other end rest against cam. When the cam rotates or cam operates, the shoe are pushed outwards against the brake drum. The friction between the shoe and the drum produces the braking torque, hence it stops the rotating member due to frictional resistance. So this type of brake is commonly used in motor cars and light trucks. So this is a mechanical brake drum, and this is hydraulic brake drum. Instead of cam, we are using hydraulic cylinder to actuate the shoes. The road wheel is fixed to the rotating brake drum. The driver applies force on the brake pedal. The stationary shoe, to make contact with the brake drum, produces the braking torque, and hence it stops the rotation due to frictional resistance. Advantages of drum brake system: simple design, fewer parts, easy and cheaper to manufacture, low maintenance cost, comparatively longer life. Disadvantages of drum brake system: low braking force compared to disc, brakes fades when the driver applies them for a prolonged time. Brake shoe lining made of asbestos is harmful to human. When wet condition, the brake grip reduces considerably. Then remaining things we'll discuss next session. Thank you.